If you are interested in tools to help you increase views for your videos, this is a video you cannot miss. Everyone, welcome back to Bao Tool Marketing Videos channel. Today I will guide you on how to increase views and comments for your videos on YouTube. In my software, you can use it to raise an unlimited number of Gmail accounts to raise those Gmail accounts to post videos, sub, like, follow, comment according to the channel files or videos you desire. You can also scan the channel files you're liking and commenting into another channel's videos to pull those account files to your channel. Now let's go back to how to give views, likes and comments to a video. First, we select the video seeding feature, enter the video link, select the account number, comment content you want, and select the account sections you want to be active. Check the information you entered again, then select your account and press start. You can see my software in action. They will help you increase likes, comments or views of your videos. If you are interested in this software, please contact me using the information in the description. I will help you install and use this software effectively.